For today's family activity, we are going to attempt something that we have never done before. We picked up a tie-dye kit at the store and a white shirt for each of us. For Eli, we got a white onesie, so that's gonna be cool. And we are gonna make our own tie-dye.
It might look like barf.
It might look like barf. We've never done it before, so we don't know what we're doing, but the instructions on this package are pretty simple, so we hope that we can pull it off. Also, if you want to try this, we will link some of the stuff down below that you can pick it up on Amazon and try it yourself. Tessie has done a little bit of research on like how to make the different designs on the shirts.
This is a little bit like the blind leading blind because I've never done it before. I've only watched a video, but the scrunch technique that's like pretty popular right now, kind of scrunch it. Then you get rubber bands and you like tie it together somehow.
So she got them all bunched up. Really, you just crinkle your shirt together and then put rubber bands around it. And then you just start dumping dye on it. We did Eli, he has two different white shirts. We did one, looked like she attempted. We don't know if it's gonna work. Did a swirly pattern and then just a scrunchy pattern. We're gonna get our dye ready. It has 3 colors, light blue, dark blue, and red. So in the kit that we have, the bottles came pre-packed with dye in them. All you do is take the lid off, add water, and then start shaking it up until the dye is dissolved.
Okay, so I've instructed Riley. So for this swirl one, you just want the color inside of each of these little pieces. So like red in this one, light blue, dark blue, red, light blue, dark blue. And then for the splotchy ones, you just kind of put the color wherever, but you need enough white because if there's color everywhere, it's not going to be splotchy. It's just going to be red or whatever. Anyways.
So the instructions say after you pour your dye everywhere, you wrap it in plastic, either plastic wrap. We're just gonna use plastic bags. We've got them all bagged up. Hopefully they do not turn out purple, all of them. We're supposed to let them sit in these bags for like 6 hours or more if we want the colors to be more vibrant. So we're gonna let them sit and we'll keep you posted because there's more steps what we need to do to make these perfect. So
Hopefully they don't look like garbage.
So we ended up leaving these in the bags overnight. We just got busy. Whoa, we had family stuff going on. Hopefully it still works. So what the instructions say is once you leave it in the bag, you're supposed to take it out, take the rubber bands off, and then just rinse it with water until the water is clear and all the dye is removed from it. So we got them all rinsed. We're not gonna show you the finished project yet. We're gonna wash them first. So it says to wash them, obviously without any other clothes in there, because you wash it with very hot water, the hottest water possible, and very little soap. They are officially out of the washing machine.
And dryer.
And dryer. And here they are. They look pretty dang good. So I don't know if we said this at the beginning, but Eli's is long sleeve because the store literally only had long sleeves in his size. So
That's okay because fall and winter are coming. So.
yeah, so he can just wear it later. But we put it on him to test it out and they turned out pretty good.
Pretty good for first timers.
First time, they're no longer white. As you can tell, they're like, all of them are a shade of blue, but they still look pretty cool.
Yep.
The only bad one, so we did 2 for Eli, and this one is terrible.
It looks like garbage.
It looks like a cow, like, it just didn't work, so. He has this one and it looks sweet. I'd say it turned out pretty good. So Tessie's little spin method to try and get like it kind of worked. Hold him up. So you can kind of see it, maybe not. Anyways, it kind of worked, kind of didn't.
So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit that big red subscribe button.
See ya.